Hello everyone. First of all, I'd like to express my heartfelt gratitude for all my viewers and subscribers for extending such wonderful encouragement and support to all my music videos by your comments and everything. It's really very heartening to see so much of support and encouragement, and with all your support and blessings and encouragement, I'm very happy to launch a new series called as My Kitchen, wherein I will be sharing a lot of traditional recipes I plan to share, which have been handed over from generations, and some healthy food, healthy recipes, easy to make recipes, along with a few kids' favorites as well. Because I feel that making the kids' favorites once in a while gives them a motivation and a kind of a reward to eat healthy food. So I solicit all your encouragement and support for this venture as well. Cooking is my other passion, and I'm sure you will like and support this venture of mine as well. So as cooking is also an art like music, so I hope you will continue to give the same encouragement for both my music and my cooking videos. Thank you so much. See you all soon.